In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoho on Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly connect Zoho to your Shopify store and start syncing your data more efficiently. Make sure you're already logged into your Shopify admin on a computer, because this process is much easier on a desktop or laptop than on a phone or tablet. First, start from your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main page you see after logging in, where you can view your orders, products, and store overview. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct store if you manage multiple Shopify stores. You should see the store name in the top area of your admin. Once you're in the right place, we're ready to move on. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Apps. This is where you manage everything you install from the Shopify App Store. Click on Apps, and it will open a page showing any apps you already have installed on your store. Even if this list is empty, that's completely fine. On the apps page, look for a button or link that says Shopify App Store. This is usually near the top of the section that lets you discover new apps. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store. This will open the App Store in a new tab or window where you can search for tools to extend your store's functionality. Once the Shopify App Store is open, move to the search bar at the top of the page. Click into the search field and type in the word Zoho. Then press Enter on your keyboard or click the search icon. Shopify will now show you a list of Zoho-related apps that can integrate with your store. From the search results, look for the Zoho app that is listed as Zoho by CRM Sync. This is the app you want to use to connect Zoho with your Shopify account. Click on the app name or its icon to open the app details page. On this page, you'll be able to review the description, features, pricing, and user reviews. From here, you can proceed with installing the Zoho app on your store and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the integration based on your specific Zoho account and business needs.